Hello. If you want to learn Kumihimo, which is an ancient Japanese braiding technique, and are a complete beginner like me, then this is the video for you. So let's do it together. This kit I bought inexpensive from Amazon. I think it was $6.99, and it comes with a square pegboard, a round pegboard, and the threads. Got lots of different colours that you could use. Now again, I'm a complete beginner. I did try watching some videos, but they show you once and then it's speeded up, and I need more than that. So I thought, let's make a video and do this together. And if we make mistakes, we can make mistakes together. It may go completely wrong, but that's how you learn, by making mistakes. So what I've done, the cord that it came with, I've taken 4 strands of red, 4 strands of white, and so I'm going to gather them together and tie a knot, because that's what we're told. That's what we're told to do. I've used red and white. Hopefully you can see it clearer. And then we just tie a normal knot. Get those, put them through. I think that's all of them. Yes. And then I'm sure if you were going to make a bracelet, maybe you do something a bit different. I'm not sure, maybe we can cover it like a giant crimp bead or something, but we'll find out down the line. So we put it through the middle. I'm going to take the red and start actually bit number 32. So we put 1 on 32, the white can go there, this white can go over here, and I think that needs to be that side. So they're all apart like this. So 32 and then down to 16. And then we do 8, 2, 8, 24. So here we have our braids. Let's put that directly in the middle. And I'm just going to put my 2 fingers to try and hold it in place, make sure the strings are quite tight. So we have 2 in the north, 2 in the south, 2 in the east, and 2 in the west. So I've got 32, 16, 8, and 24. So we take the right side and we bring it down, and then we take the left, bring it up to the top. That's come out of there. And then we turn, and then we do the same again. So we're going to go from the 8 to the right, and then 24 we're going to put into the 7 and then we turn. So we take 15, and we go into 30, and then we take 31 to 13, and then we turn 23 to 6, 8 to 21, and then turn. So go to the right, and then we take, so when you move it to the right, you always have 3 strands. You take the last left strand and you put it to the left at the top, and then turn. So I'm just going to hold at the bottom. It can be quite tricky. 20. Stop knotting. Up to that one, then turn. 13, 28, and then we'll take this one to the left and turn. So to the right, 3 strands, to the left, and then turn. To the right, to the left, turn. To the 3. I'm not quite sure how you would finish it off, but this is just, let's say, part 1. Now where did I just go? I think we've just done this. There's nothing on top, so it's this one, I hope, otherwise it's going to look a bit strange. Okay, and turn. Let's keep all those strands. I think I've done the strands way too long, so we'll definitely do them shorter next time. So I've just done the white, so go to the red. So right to right, 3 strands, left to left, right to right, left to left. Let's see, right to right. Let's just say the doorbell has rung and we have to put it down and go and answer the door, and we come back and think, oh, where was I? Obviously your 3 strands are there, so you know you have to take 1 from the left and put to the top and turn. So turn. My mum said to me, I used to do something like that when I was younger, with a piece of wood with nails. So I'm not sure if she's thinking of French knitting, or maybe there was something years ago. If you know, let me know in the description. I've seen children doing it, so we must be able to do it. There we go. So right to right, 3 strands, left to left, and then turn. right to right, left to left, and then turn. Right to right, left to left, right to right, left to left. So yes, I know a lady that sells on Etsy and makes dog collars, dog leashes, jewellery. She adds beads, and I thought that'd be lovely to do. There we go, turn again, and again. So what would you like to make? Let me know in the description below. On some tutorials I saw people just used a thick cardboard with some slits, but it didn't last very long. And these are really expensive to buy. So next we've done, okay, so red, right, and you can always pause and go back if you're not too sure. So I'm going to carry on and come back later. I've just found out these are called Kumihimo end caps, and these are available from Amazon. So that's how you finish them. So let's see. Oh, look. I'm very impressed. For the first time. That will make lovely bracelets. So let me know how you did in the description below. Kumihimo. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.